Imagine waking up 5 years from now and realizing that artificial intelligence quietly reshaped almost everything around you, not in a dramatic, science fiction takeover, but in subtle, deeply personal ways. The emails you write, the medical tests you take, the lessons your children learn, the job tasks you focus on, even the music and videos you enjoy. AI won't announce its arrival with flashing lights. Instead, it will already be there, woven into daily life. But here's the real question: are we prepared for what's coming next? In the next 5 years, experts say AI will move faster than any major technology shift in modern history. Faster than the internet, faster than smartphones. And the decisions we make right now, about how we build it, regulate it, and use it will shape society for decades. Today, we're breaking down what leading researchers, economists, technologists, and institutions actually predict for the future of AI based on real data and verified trends. No hype, no fear-mongering. Just the reality of where AI is heading and what it means for you. Why the next 5 years matter. To understand the future of AI, we first need to understand why this moment is different. Artificial intelligence has existed as a research field since the 1950s, but for decades progress was slow and limited by computing power, data availability, and practical use cases. That changed dramatically in the 2010s with breakthroughs in machine learning, deep neural networks, and large-scale data processing. According to Stanford University's AI Index report, global private investment in AI exceeded $90 billion in recent years, reflecting how central AI has become to business and government strategies. What makes the next 5 years especially critical is convergence. Advances in hardware, cloud computing, algorithms, and global data access are reinforcing each other. Experts often compare this phase to the early days of electricity or the internet, technologies that didn't just create new tools, but restructured entire economies. Researchers at OpenAI, DeepMind, MIT, and other institutions consistently note that AI systems are no longer limited to narrow tasks. They are becoming more general, more adaptable, and easier to deploy at scale. This acceleration is why predictions about the next 5 years carry so much weight. AI will become a daily co-worker. One of the strongest expert predictions is that AI will increasingly function as a co-worker, rather than a replacement for most people. Studies from McKinsey and the World Economic Forum show that while AI will automate certain tasks, it is far more likely to change how jobs are done than eliminate entire professions outright. In practical terms, this means AI tools embedded directly into everyday workflows. Office workers will rely on AI systems to draft documents, analyze spreadsheets, summarize meetings, and manage schedules. Software developers will use AI to generate code suggestions, detect bugs, and speed up testing. Journalists, marketers, and researchers will lean on AI to process large volumes of information faster than any human could. Crucially, experts emphasize that productivity gains will depend on human oversight. AI systems can generate outputs quickly, but they still require judgment, context, and ethical decision-making. Over the next 5 years, the most valuable employees will not be those who compete with AI, but those who know how to collaborate with it effectively. Healthcare will see some of the biggest gains. If there is one field where experts consistently predict life-changing impact, it's healthcare. According to peer-reviewed research published in journals like Nature Medicine and The Lancet Digital Health, AI systems already match or exceed human performance in specific diagnostic tasks, such as analyzing medical images or identifying disease patterns in large datasets. In the next 5 years, AI is expected to significantly improve early disease detection, personalized treatment plans, and administrative efficiency. Radiology, pathology, and dermatology are often cited as early beneficiaries, because these fields rely heavily on pattern recognition. AI tools can help doctors flag abnormalities faster and reduce diagnostic errors. Beyond diagnosis, AI is predicted to accelerate drug discovery. Pharmaceutical companies now use machine learning models to simulate how molecules interact, reducing the time and cost required to develop new medications. Experts at organizations like the FDA and NIH believe this could shorten development cycles for certain drugs from years to months. However, medical experts also stress that AI will not replace doctors. Instead, it will serve as a clinical support tool, allowing healthcare professionals to spend more time with patients and less time on paperwork. Education will become more personalized. Education is another area poised for major transformation. Researchers from UNESCO and the OECD suggest that AI-powered learning systems could address long-standing challenges such as unequal access to quality education and one-size-fits-all teaching methods. Over the next 5 years, AI tutors are expected to become more adaptive, analyzing how individual students learn and adjusting content accordingly. These systems can identify knowledge gaps, provide instant feedback, and recommend tailored practice materials. For teachers, AI can assist with grading, lesson planning, and identifying students who need extra support. Experts emphasize that the goal is not to replace teachers, but to empower them. Human educators bring emotional intelligence, mentorship, and cultural understanding that AI cannot replicate. When used responsibly, AI could help teachers focus on creativity, critical thinking, and student engagement rather than repetitive administrative tasks. Regulation will catch up, slowly but surely. One of the most debated aspects of AI's future is regulation. In recent years, governments worldwide have begun to acknowledge that unchecked AI development carries risks, including bias, privacy violations, and misuse. The European Union's AI Act, for example, represents one of the most comprehensive attempts to regulate AI systems based on their level of risk. Experts predict that in the next 5 years, more countries will introduce AI-specific laws and standards. These regulations are expected to focus on transparency, accountability, data protection, and safety testing. In the United States, while a single comprehensive AI law is unlikely in the short term, agencies such as the Federal Trade Commission and the National Institute of Standards and Technology are already developing guidelines. However, researchers caution that regulation will lag behind technological progress. The challenge will be creating flexible rules that protect society without stifling innovation. Most experts agree that collaboration between governments, researchers, and private companies will be essential. Ethical AI will become a competitive advantage. Ethics is no longer just a philosophical discussion, it's becoming a business and societal necessity. Studies from organizations like the World Economic Forum indicate that companies investing in ethical AI practices are more likely to gain public trust and long-term success. Over the next 5 years, experts predict a stronger emphasis on reducing bias in AI systems, improving explainability, and ensuring fairness in automated decisions. This is particularly important in areas like hiring, lending, law enforcement, and healthcare, where biased algorithms can have serious real-world consequences. AI researchers increasingly argue that transparency will be a key differentiator. Systems that can explain why they make certain recommendations will be favored over black box models. Ethical design won't slow AI adoption. It will shape which tools people are willing to use. Creativity will be redefined, not replaced. One of the most emotionally charged debates around AI is its role in creativity. From writing and art to music and filmmaking, AI tools are already capable of generating impressive content. But experts in cognitive science and the arts argue that this does not signal the end of human creativity. Instead, the next 5 years are expected to redefine what creativity looks like. AI will act as a collaborator, generating drafts, exploring variations, and accelerating experimentation. Human creators will remain responsible for intent, meaning, and cultural context. Research from institutions like Harvard and Oxford suggests that creative industries will shift toward hybrid workflows, where humans guide and refine AI-generated outputs. The value of originality, taste, and emotional resonance will become even more important. The workforce will need massive reskilling. While AI is unlikely to eliminate most jobs entirely, experts agree it will change skill requirements rapidly. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, millions of workers will need reskilling or upskilling in the next 5 years due to automation and AI integration. Skills related to critical thinking, problem solving, data literacy, and human-AI collaboration are expected to grow in importance. Governments, universities, and companies are already investing in training programs, but experts warn that the pace needs to accelerate. The countries and organizations that succeed will be those that treat lifelong learning as a core infrastructure, not an optional benefit. AI safety will move to the center of the conversation. As AI systems become more capable, concerns about safety and alignment will intensify. Leading researchers from organizations like OpenAI, DeepMind, and academic institutions emphasize that ensuring AI systems behave as intended is one of the most important challenges of the next decade. In the next 5 years, experts expect increased investment in AI safety research, including robustness testing, monitoring systems, and fail-safe mechanisms. While fears of superintelligent AI dominating humanity remain speculative, the real risks lie in misuse, unintended consequences, and over-reliance on automated systems. The consensus among experts is clear: proactive safety measures are far more effective than reacting to crises after they occur. What this means for you. So, what does all of this mean for everyday people? It means AI will become less visible but more influential. It will shape the tools you use, the services you receive, and the opportunities available to you. The next 5 years will reward curiosity, adaptability, and ethical awareness. Experts consistently advise individuals to stay informed, build transferable skills, and view AI as a partner rather than a threat. The future of AI is not predetermined. It will be shaped by human choices. We are standing at a crossroads in technological history. The next 5 years will define how artificial intelligence integrates into our lives, our work, and our society. Understanding what's coming isn't just interesting, it's essential. If you found this breakdown valuable and want to stay ahead of the biggest ideas shaping our future, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We're here to cut through the noise, explore the facts, and help you understand the world that's being built right now. Turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.